Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's time for Wonder Woman to take over Halloween. Yippee! How's everybody doing on this marvelous day? As you can see today, I am giving you Wonder Woman realness, baby. So I created this comic / Wonder Woman look. I got this costume from Amazon, and I have been waiting actually all year to do this look. Like, I've been obsessed with comics. I'm obsessed with cartoons, you guys already know. And it's like, just to make myself into a drawing, you know, I already did that with my picture, but it's just like, I'm really obsessed with like animation. I'm really animated, so I just thought, why not be a comic Wonder Woman instead of just a regular Wonder Woman? So that's what I went for today, and that's what I did in this video. So before we start the video, I just want to say thank you guys, and I'm really excited about this video. Like, this is something different, and I just hope that you guys all have a beautiful, safe Halloween. This year I will not be going trick-or-treating, but I will be staying in with my nephew. He's going to be a little fireman this year. I got his costume. It's so cute. And then Anna's going to be Batwoman. I got her that. And then, you know, I'm Superwoman. So it's just really exciting, and thank you guys for all the support. And without further ado, let's just get started with the video. And if you guys want to recreate this look, please recreate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys later, because I gotta save the day. I'm gonna be using mainly these 4 colors. I'm starting off with the red because the red really just pops out the eyes of Wonder Woman. Like, if you guys see Wonder Woman, the cartoon, like, her eyes are very much 3D. So I wanted my eyes to pop out as much as possible. Okay, so now we're going to be applying glitter over the red to give it more of that comic pop out 3D effect. You can grab any third eyeshadow to just make your eyes tone down a little bit more from the red, and 4 to tone down the red glitter and to give you that translation of the eyeshadow, to give that cartoon, as you can see. So we're going to keep adding on that and blend. Now we're going to be going in with our foundation, just to put that everywhere. And you know, the whoop blam and how that. I really am looking for like a new foundation that does not really sweat out your face, because I am struggling with oily skin, and I try to put on my primer to make my face set. I try to do everything, but the only one that fit me right now is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's the only one. So if you guys have any suggestions on oily skin, how to like a good foundation for it, please just leave it in the comment section, because I'm searching and this is the only one that's working so far. Also, if you guys know any good concealers, I have been searching for a good concealer. I used to be obsessed with my Maybelline Age Rewinder concealer, but recently I've just been using this little concealer, and you can get this from the beauty supply store. It's super cheap, but it gets the job done, and I've really been obsessed with this lately because it's been getting rid of my bags. And okay. Y'all see the po-po trying to mess up my tutorial, okay? Makeup is really like a therapy session to me. Like, I really love cleaning up my eyeshadow when I'm done with it, and just cleaning it up just makes me feel so good. So we're going to go in with our powder, and this powder that I'm going to be using is just my banana powder. Y'all know I'm obsessed with banana powder, and I'm going to be adding a whole bunch all over my face just to get my face extra matte today, because I already know soon as I leave, like, my face just begins so oily, and I don't be having time for that. So I'm just gonna be adding it every single wear, honey. Provision Cosmetics has sent me this eyeliner, and they also sent me some mascara. They also sent me this eyeshadow that I'm using in this tutorial. So if you guys want to get that, it'll be in the description box. Shout out to them. And this eyeliner is super amazing. It's their new eyeliner, and it's really, really dope. Like, it's really dope. Like, I haven't been able to find a really good eyeliner in a minute. I've been like going to like the beauty supply store using like all the cheap stuff, and I tried to even go out and get the expensive, but this eyeliner is super affordable and it's super easy to use, and the tip of it is just like it's really hard to explain, but if you guys really look close of it, you can tell like this is some really good eyeliner. To infinity and beyond is how long we are going to make this eyeliner, baby. We're going to make it really long because I want to extend my eyes and I want to make my eyes look as much cartoon as possible. So we're going to just extend it. It doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. It's Halloween. We need it thick. We need it dramatic. And we... Now the time has come for us to dust off our powder. And I really wanted my powder to stay on long, as I said before, because I wanted to go for this matte look. And also, I really wanted it so my eyeshadow underwards when I go in and make my eyes look even more bigger, because I want to get that cartoon effect. So I actually went to CVS and I got some white eyeliner, but I needed the liquid eyeliner. They did not have the liquid eyeliner, so if you just have a white pencil, it'll work perfectly fine. But I'm going to just take the wing and I'm just going to extend my eyes for a little cat eye, and I'm going to bring it back in, and then I'm going to color it in white to just make my eyes look even more bigger. Okay, so now we're going to be going in with our white eyeliner, like I said, and you're just going to blend that out firstly on your waterline, and then you're going to extend it by making your eyes look bigger and give it that brat doll eye effect, you know what I mean? And that's the same thing as animation, making your eyes look bigger and going into that. You can do so many things with your makeup, and white eyeliner is the main key if you want to make your eyes look bigger. And I've been using white eyeliner for a long time. I remember I used to wear white eyeliner to school because I had this thing where I wanted my eyes to be bigger, and that was my main thing to go to, white eyeliner. And I'm just gonna color that in right there to make my eyes look animated. I'm gonna be going in with the red and also the glitter to make my eyes pop a little bit more. This look is so fun to do. Like, I know throughout this tutorial my face is so straight, but believe me, I'm smiling in the inside for real. Like, I haven't been this excited to do a tutorial in so long. So it's Halloween and I really never did a tutorial on Halloween, so it's exciting to me. I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna go in with this purple too, so my eyes can look more like Wonder Woman. If you guys ever notice Wonder Woman, her eyes, it has this little tint to it, that little 3D effect. I don't know, call me a stalker for just staring at her. To give my eyebrows that more comic effect, I'm going to draw little specks on my eyebrows to make them look more stand out. You know how comics be, like if you read comics, like a lot of their eyebrows look like this. And I'm going to add lines on my face in different places to make my face look as much drawn on as possible. This is more of the expression of it, you know, of a comic. Like comics, they're really into affections on your face, and you know, with the words pop out. So with their nose contour, it's more like just like a drawing. You just draw it on the side, and then you don't really fill it all the way in because you want to make it look like that nose more effective, like that I just got this drew on. And with drawing this part, you're going to have to be very careful because I almost messed up multiple times. That's why I'm really proceeding with cautious when I'm adding on this eyeliner, because like I said, it can get really messy. So yeah, I'm going to draw in on my sides to give my cheeks that that's what I just think like of when I think of comics. Like they just be like you know, that type. And I'm going to draw on my neck to give that V look that comics have. And yeah, so I'm going to draw on my star too, because in case you guys don't know, Wonder Woman, she has like a little star on her face, the comic version of her. And I always been like kind of a little obsessed with that. I'm obsessed with stars because reach for the stars, infinity and beyond. Why not? I'm going to draw on my lips. And this part, it is a little tricky because I made my lips look a little bit bigger on the side by drawing them in and give that effect. I got this red lip gloss lipstick from CVS, and I didn't expect this lipstick to be so good. And it's actually matte, but it comes on like a lip gloss and it smells so good. To define these lines, I'm going to take my white eyeliner and just go on my nose and at the bottom of my chin to just make it more pop out a little bit and give that comic 3D more tours effect. Yeah, I'm going to add it on my lips too to make my lips look as much cartoons as possible. And the eyeliner messed up a little bit on my lips when I was blending in the lipstick, but we're just going to go back over that. Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. La 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 la. Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. Oh, whatever the theme song is. So this is my finishing look of the Wonder Woman. As you can see, auntie, I feel very much like Wonder Woman. So if you guys would like to recreate this look, I would love to see you guys recreate this look. Have a beautiful, safe Halloween. This was so fun and easy to create. Tell me if I did good or not. I really love this. And thank you guys for all the genuine support. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. And trick or treat. Bye, babies. And if you are not slaying, then what the are you saying? And slay until your hair turns gray. And I'll see you guys later because I have to save the day. Bye, babies.